Nyeejah, and I'm gonna be showing you guys my crib. Let's go.
Premiumbeat.com. The following is an MTV CRIBS special presentation.
MTV CRIBS. Oh, you guys are here already? Yeah. Hi. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm Nyeejah, and I'm gonna be showing you guys my crib. Let's go. So, should we start with here, or should we start with the room?
We can start with the bathroom.
Okay. The bathroom is kind of, just basic. I like to keep my bathroom basic. We just have a flower here. We have, our little soaps and air freshener, of course. This is very, very essential. We have Clorox wipes because we don't want to get sick. You feel me? We just have some glasses here and here. It's nothing special. Let's get to the fun part, which is the room. Wait, should I show the bathroom? I don't need to show the bathroom. Okay, we'll just give you a quick glimpse. Basic bathroom, nothing much you wanted to see. Let's get to the fun part, okay? This is my room. So this is my closet. Usually people have like their curtains here, but I didn't want that. I kind of wanted the colors of my clothes to go with my room. Up here, I just have a bunch of my stuff in these boxes. I have my shoe box, my other shoe box, and this cute purse that I got off of AliExpress. I'm like literally in love. I have some paintings up there. As you can see, one of my paintings fell off, so don't even mind that. This painting is a painting of like all my favorite cartoons and stuff like that I've watched over the years when I was a kid. And then over here, I have just this painting of this woman enjoying the view, period. Over here, I have my shoes. I got this white thing off of Amazon. Down here, I just have like some boots and stuff like that. These drawers, of course, is my clothes. It's my whiteboard. I just like write down stuff that I need to remember for the day or for the week. So like, my poetry essay, my acting script, all of these stuff that I was trying to remember to bring to my Universal trip, my L card, because I do go to FAU. And over here is my bed area. So, I got this, what's this called? My comforter. Where did I get this from? I think I got this from is it Ashley?
Ashley Home Store?
Something like that. It was like a girl named Ashley's Furniture. I don't remember. Yeah, if I remember, I'll put it down below. I got this pillow from Amazon. I got a gray pillow, my fluffy pillows that also comes with this comforter. I chose to go with white because it makes your room look way bigger than it actually is. It gives like a clean look. Over here, I have my posters just to give my room some color. I have this Rick and Morty poster. It has a bunch of colors in it, which is the real reason why I got it, because I feel like it just makes my room look way more colorful. I got this poster from Five and Below. This poster is from Walmart, so that poster is from Walmart too. Let's go over here. My microphone here. Also have the audio interface to go with that. I just connected to my laptop. I use Logic Pro. I have these flowers that I actually got from Family Dollar, really inexpensive. I have this end sign that I actually painted myself. That's supposed to be me. And I just leave it in this corner. Of course, my laptop, my keyboard, my mouse, my Bible. This is very, very essential, important. I have my hydro flask. I have my retro camera. This is like a 2000s quality camera. So if you want your videos to look 2000s, just get one of these. I have my lantern, which is actually a speaker. It makes my room look really pretty. You can play music, whatever you want. Or just connect it. I have my lamp, the touch lamp, which is very essential because you can actually charge your phone right here. And then I have my salt lamp that I got from Ross. I have my flowers, and then my calendar of all the things I need to do for the month. I haven't updated that. I don't need to because summer's coming up, thankfully. I have my drawer. I just have a bunch of random stuff in here, to be honest. Michelle Obama's book. Have my little like notes journal. I would just write down random stuff. My rings, a little sewing kit, some chargers, water, ruler, Vaseline, essential. This is where I put my projector. I don't have my projector in here right now, but when it's nighttime, I'm gonna show you guys what my room looks like. My projector goes like under here, right there. Yeah. So yeah, I just have a mirror right here. I just, you know, look at myself, period. What else did I show them? Is that it? Oh, my carpet. Yes, my white carpet that ties in with the white bed.
Where did you get this projector from?
Oh, where did I get the projector from? I got the projector from Amazon. It comes with a projector, you just hang it up and it'll make like your video, movies, whatever. It makes it look ultra HD.
How did you get your drawer to look like this? Is this a type of film that you put over it, or?
Oh yeah, that's a great question. So it's a stick and peel type paper that I got from Amazon. Underneath this is like a brown color, which I didn't like. I don't think it goes with my room. So I just put on this like white kind of wood design on, you know, my drawers. And I also have it over here on my table, as you can see. Yeah, I just really like the look. I think it makes the room come together. I'm gonna do that next semester too, but I'm not sure if I want to do that design or if I should do another design. But I most likely will stick with this design. I would say my color scheme of my room is like a white, gray, mixed with a splash of color. That's my room. You can show them an overview of everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm sorry, MTV CRIBS, but you gotta go. It was nice having you guys around, but y'all gotta go now. Thank you so much. Y'all can leave. Bye. Bye.
MTV CRIBS. Hi.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about anything else that I have in this video. I'm cutting this out. And I just so y'all not gonna see that. Okay.